In today's fast-paced society, the value of social bonds is often overlooked. However, developing communal and social relationships is critical for improving mental health. Strong social relationships are not only necessary for psychological well-being, but they also increase communal resilience. According to research, strong social relationships might improve mental health and extend longevity. According to a study conducted by the American Psychological Association, those who have supportive social ties are less likely to be impacted from mental health issues. These ties provide emotional support, which can assist people negotiate life's pressures, ultimately improving their overall well-being. Active participation in community events can increase people's sense of belonging and purpose. Volunteering, attending local events, and joining community organizations all strengthen one's own identity and contribute to a better mental health. For vulnerable groups, such as the elderly or those with chronic health conditions, social bonds can be a lifeline. The AARP reports that social activities can significantly alleviate feelings of isolation among older adults, improving their quality of life and reducing the risk of mental health challenges. While technology often receives criticism for contributing to isolation, it also has the power to connect. During the COVID-19 pandemic, digital platforms became crucial in maintaining connections. Virtual meetings and social media can bridge long distances and create supportive networks that might not otherwise be possible. Despite these benefits, many face barriers to forming social connections. Stigma, physical distance, and lack of accessibility are significant hurdles. Overcoming these requires targeted efforts to increase inclusivity and accessibility in community programming and digital platforms. Local organizations play an important role in promoting social relationships. These organizations provide resources such as support groups and recreational clubs, allowing people to connect and support one another's mental health. Creating inclusive environments that accommodate diversity in culture, ethnicity, and age is essential. Community centers and programs must ensure they are accessible to all community members, promoting an atmosphere where everyone feels welcome. Education is crucial in emphasizing the value of social relationships. Community workshops and school programs can highlight the value of social interconnection, encouraging efforts to establish and preserve these vital connections. Furthermore, incorporating mental health first aid, MHFA, training can greatly empower communities. Individuals who have completed MHFA training are more equipped to recognize and respond to symptoms of mental health difficulties in others. This training promotes empathy and understanding in the community, ensuring that members not only connect but also actively assist one another's mental health. Communities that incorporate MHFA can create a proactive climate that promotes well-being and supports persons with mental health concerns. Policies that support the development of community mental health resources and facilitate access to affordable housing can strengthen community ties. Advocating for mental health as a public health priority can influence policy decisions that foster a more connected and mentally healthy society. Incorporating personal stories can vividly illustrate the power of social connections. For instance, community support groups have been instrumental for many in managing their mental health, providing a sense of understanding and shared experience that is invaluable. Building and sustaining social bonds is not merely beneficial but essential for mental health. Communities that prioritize social connectivity and inclusivity not only support their members' mental health but also build a foundation for a resilient and thriving society. As we move forward, it is vital to continue fostering these connections, breaking down barriers, and ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to contribute to and benefit from their community.